Don't cry. Come on. Sunita, and she is a mother of Sunita, and she is a daughter. Hey, my special daughter. Don't say like this.
You write your name.
Okay, this is V
Yeah.
from Victor, yeah? A for apple. S from Sierra.
Nice.
Nice?
Nice.
Your heart is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Sunita. Sunita plus Vasi. It's a love. In love. How many years you don't feel like
Four years.
love from the husband?
4 years.
4 years. It's hard. Very hard life, yeah?
Yeah. Keep bringing one. You want to go there, please?
Yeah, we'll go.
हाँ यार घूम के आ
तुम्हारा चप्पल कितने का है?
तेरी माँ की
से तो तुम 50 में बोली।
देखी इसी ने इसके ऊपर गुस्सा बैठा अरे वो मामा बोला ना कि
Give me a hand.
You want little?
Give me a hand. No.
Little bit. You want try? So nice. Little
What
bit
is
try.
this?
You want try little?
No, I want
So
to
nice.
eat tonight.
Oh.
I'm not eating nothing today.
Because why?
Because you know why. you know
You
why.
say me.
I want to lose some kilos.
Oh. बोली क्या?
Didi, how are you?
How are you, Didi?
Come. Maybe 3-4 days after you marry with my mother.
Yeah. You giving me your mother?
Yes.
You give me free.
No.
You know
Maybe
charge
you
it.
take. But you look me and my brother.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah. I'm looking forward.
Okay. Then you go with my mother.
Okay. Tomorrow you're gonna marry to me?
Okay.
Yeah. It's gonna be a big party, yeah? Tomorrow big party.
Okay. चलो आरती कर लेंगे।
करे आज
दवाने ले।
नहीं आने देगा
It's a big bridge over there.
You go my sister house. Come.
Yeah.
Come. चलो।
Let's go.
हाँ 1 घंटा के लिए कब कर नहीं है फिर गुस्सा पैसे गुस्सा आएगा
नंबर भी ले लेंगे।
क्या करते हो भाई साहब? बोलो हम आओ दुकान बंद करके। अच्छा नहीं 3000 रुपये दिया ही। हाँ ऑटो से काटा में धक्का के ले चला था उधर से।
मम्मी 100 रुपये आधे हाथ में थमा देना, मिठाई उठाई भी नहीं ली।
The water is coming here as well.
Yeah, water is coming here. I drink.
Yeah, of course. You can drink.
Good.
Yeah.
You happy?
All right.
They making the building.
That is the one, the white one.
Yeah. Behind this moment, house is a building selling. His sale.
She wanna sell?
Yeah.
Expensive. Yeah?
Hmm. फिर जाएगा कल फिर आएगा बहुत अच्छा लगा
कल जाएगा,
कल फिर आएगा
अभी पुट्टी नहीं कराए हो?
कल ही नहीं कि पुट्टी उट्टी बाकी है अभी
अभी बाद में बनवा दी, 2 साल में बनवाना।
इधर बाथरूम में ना वो बना लो पूरा सब पाइप तैयार
बनने तक वो भी मत करो, रहने दो, उसे नया लगी रहेगा।
बनवाई वो भी थोड़ा सा
This is the room.
No, it's
No,
making
that is
the
kitchen. No, no,
Kitchen.
that is bathroom.
bathroom, the shower.
हाँ माँ
That is a sale. Some tourist people buy. He married the Indian wife.
Yeah.
He make
This is expensive? How much?
like
Rupee.
like 25 million.
Million. It's expensive. Hello, boy. It's very expensive.
Yeah, because look, this one he from the France. He married the Indian woman.
And he's living there.
Yeah, no, he's now going to France.
It's empty.
Yeah, husband wife. बेचा तो
बेचे के लिए कलर है लेकिन फिर बताने का बोला।
It's too much money in India, yeah?
Yeah, because then after like he make the city, the all people is come also here. That when by there, the near the Ganga, you also open the guest house, everything here.
If you buy this land now, in
Yeah.
the future it's going to be more expensive.
More expensive.
Yeah, I know.
80 लाख रुपया मांगा।
I think people from India is very, very happy.
Yeah.
People from India is very happy.
And your country, no.
My country, money make you happy.
Oh.
I'm going to see Francis' house.
You bring to my house clothes, I make the hand. Huh? John, you bring to my house clothes?
Yeah,
Cover
yeah.
in my hand.
Yeah. You want?
I do. India culture, the wife is a clothes, the husband clean. No husband. I like also there.
It's a big house. Oh. Look this guy. How old are you?
I'm not also.
Hello, dog.
Careful.
यहाँ बैठा